Hello everyone. In this video, let's create our first C# application. So to create that, open the Visual Studio 2022 and then you need to click the create new project. You can develop a console application. You can develop a Blazor application, which is a web application. You can develop an API and many more. So here, if you can see, I have downloaded multiple frameworks, so you can see many templates from them. But for now, we are going to need this console application, which we can build upon C#. If you didn't find it, please free to search here and try to find out this console app template with C# icon. Okay, then select it and click next. Now give a proper name and just observe my naming conventions. Makes sense, right? Okay. If you wanna take this and place it somewhere else, you can simply choose a location to store this application, and I would recommend you to please keep the solution name same as your project name. Let's discuss about this solution name in the further videos. For now, let's just continue. Click next. And we are going to build this application in .NET 7. So select .NET 7 and click create. Okay. So congratulations. You just have created your first C# application, which is Hello World application. And if you can see, it's pretty much similar to Python, if I'm not wrong, because you can only see this console.writeline.hello world, which will give you the output hello world in your console. I mean, in your command prompt. So why this is looking like this in a single line? So to get the full code, right click on it, click on the quick actions and refactoring, and you can see an option which is convert to program.main style. Click on it. So this is the actual form of your first C# application, which can print hello world. Try to observe this here. This is a class which is named as a program and with the access modifier internal. And within that, we are having a method which is a main method which returns nothing. And it is a static method, and also the access modifier is private. And it's taking arguments which are string type and arguments from command line. And it's able to print hello world. Don't worry about the terminology like class, what is internal, what is program, what is static, what is private, what are arguments, what are args. We are going to discuss all these things in the further videos. But for now, let's run the application and let's see what will happen. Yes, exactly. Try to observe this, and the one which we have given in the console.writeline, which in simple words, it's a sort of printf statement from C. In C language, you may have seen the printf statement. In Python, you may have a print line. Similar to that, this is a line which will be used to print the outputs in the console. And in the next video, we'll see about the syntax of C#.